Tony here from 410 Drone and Travel. This is the MacBook Pro 13-inch unboxing / review / my thoughts on it. This is my very first Apple laptop, and I will be editing this video on the laptop. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's go. Okay, here it is, the 2019 13-inch MacBook Pro. I got this because I do a good bit of video editing, which I used to do on the iPad. It started to be a little bit cumbersome after 2 years. I wanted to expand my horizons as far as the editing process goes and how I edit all my videos for my other channel and this channel. I'll leave a description in the link down below for my other channel if you guys want to check that out. Okay, here's the MacBook Pro again. Like I said, MacBook Pro. There's the back of it. Tells you all the details. It's got the Apple logo on the side. It says MacBook Pro. Apple logo on the side. Tells you all the details of what's inside this machine. Now, I configured this differently than the base model, which is 1.4 gigahertz with the 8th generation Intel Core i5 quad core processor. The 2018s were a dual core processor. We now have a quad core processor. And if you've seen any of the other videos on these MacBook Pros, they are much more powerful and faster, especially when rendering for video editing, than last year's model. And that's exactly why I waited as long as I did and then did get this. I'm glad I waited for as long as I did. So I configured this with the base 1.4 gigahertz quad core processor. I did upgrade the RAM from 8 to 16 gigs to kind of help future-proof it. And I did upgrade the SSD from 128 to 256. On my work laptop, I deal with 256 gigs right now, and that's where most of my content gets uploaded from, even though I don't edit on that. So that does me fine. So I decided to stick with 256. This does come with the Retina display with the True Tone. It's got 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports, which I'm kind of leery about. I'd rather have had 4, but I would have had to have jumped up to the 2.4 gigahertz model. I'm okay with just the 2 for right now. I always can add a dongle, which I probably will. This year they decided to do away with the top bar set of keys and went with touch bar. Don't know how I feel about it yet. This is my very first Apple MacBook, Apple laptop really in general. And I did get this preloaded with Final Cut 10. Like I said, I'm going to be using this as my main editor from now on. I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing. Okay, now Apple has made it a lot easier to open up a lot of their stuff. Obviously everybody loves the feel and the touch to unboxing an Apple product. I will not be using the little pull tab here. I don't want to say cherish, but I do like to keep my boxes in very mint condition, so if I ever did want to resell, they're in brand new, if not like new condition. So I will be slicing with a knife. Let's get the knife. Okay, got the knife here. No turning back now. Put that away. Take the little sliver of plastic off. Let's see here. Spin it around so you guys can see it. So you still got the plastic on there. Let's see what this. Oh. Wow. Just looks awesome. Looks gorgeous. Let's set this aside for now. So as a lot of people have already seen, I'm sure a lot of people have looked at some of these unboxings already. There's not much in the box. We got the instructions, a small instruction booklet with some Apple stickers, I'm sure. Set that aside. We got the 61 watt charger. I will be getting a second one of these because I will be traveling with this even when I'm on work trips. I can do some editing in the airport or on the road in a hotel room at night. And then of course you got your cable. So we'll put all them back in there for now. And let's open up the MacBook Pro.
Okay, let's go. Everybody loves that sound. Gorgeous looking. It's got the shiny Apple logo. Let's see if we can get the camera in there. Yep, there we go. Wow. Awesome looking machine.
Alright guys, I know the unboxing wasn't much, but I hope you guys did enjoy it. And I may do a future video and let you know how I like the MacBook Pro as my first Apple laptop. Please make sure you leave me a comment down below. Hit those like and subscribe buttons. Any questions you have for me on the MacBook Pro, please let me know. See you guys in the next episode.